Welcome to Students Tech for Me, powered by Serve AI Tech Solutions. Let's talk about a story of Ria and Mira. Today we focus on whether learning can be treated as a hobby. Ria, frustrated with traditional learning. Mira, curious, self-motivated and enjoys learning. One day at school, bench at lunch break, Ria sighs loudly. Uff, studying is so boring यार. कब खत्म होगा ये सब? Mira, smiling. Boring. I actually enjoy studying. Ria, sarcastically. Of course, तेरे मार्क्स भी तो हमेशा अच्छे आते हैं. ऐसे ही होता है सबके साथ जिनका ब्रेन चलता है. Mira shakes head. No, Ria, it's not about marks. I actually like learning. मार्क्स तो बस रिजल्ट हैं, मजा प्रोसेस में है. Ria confused. प्रोसेस में मजा? मुझे तो बस प्रेशर ही प्रेशर लगता है. पढ़ाई इक्वल्स स्ट्रेस. होमवर्क, रट्टा, टेस्ट, फिर मम्मी का लेक्चर. Ria sighed. I wish I could say the same. Studying feels boring. I waste so much time watching reels. I don't even know what I'm good at. This moment reflects a reality we see every day. Many children, like Ria, are not aware of their own strengths or interests because traditional studying doesn't help them find that out. If we change the approach, just like drawing, dancing, or skating classes that kids spend 3 to 5 hours every week, they can pick and choose from a list of areas other than academics, like a child keen in drawing can choose designing, where it becomes just another hobby class, fun, hands-on, and driven by curiosity. Mira nodded thoughtfully. Yeah, I get it. I think it's because we often start focusing too much on the syllabus. By the time we hit class 10, it's too late since it is more important to score well. Everyone wants to know your 10th grade marks. We just follow the system or what our friends or parents want us to do. Ria frowned. Exactly. And then the stream selection comes, and it's like we're just choosing what's expected instead of what we really enjoy or are good at. Mira paused for a moment and said, if we started thinking about studying differently, way before it gets to that point, what if we found ways to enjoy it earlier when we still have room to figure things out without the pressure of marks looming over us? Ria looked intrigued. What do you mean? Mira smiled. I mean, it's about finding our own direction first, something that excites us. Like, instead of chasing marks just to keep up with the system, we should focus on what sparks our interest. Imagine if you knew exactly what you love to learn by the time you are in class 10. You'd choose subjects and later streams that match your passion, not because you're just running after grades. Ria paused, absorbing the thought. So, you're saying I should enjoy the process first and not just focus on the result? Exactly, Mira said, her face lighting up. Once you enjoy studying and find out what excites you, the marks will follow naturally. But more importantly, you'll build your own path, not one that's just based on what everyone else is doing. Ria, smiling slightly. मुझे भी ऐसे ही सीखना है मेरा. कभी लगता है मैं सिर्फ फॉलो करती हूँ, बिना सोचे. जैसे सब करते हैं, मैं भी वही करती हूँ. Mira, encouraging. तो अब टाइम है खुद से सीखने का. बस एक छोटी सी शुरुआत करनी होती है. कम विथ मी आफ्टर स्कूल. मैं तुझे दिखाऊंगी कि लर्निंग बोरिंग नहीं होती अगर तरीका सही हो. Why not make learning just as engaging? Our platform that treats learning like a hobby, interactive, interest-based, and designed to help children uncover their strengths. Whether it's through hands-on science experiments, creative problem solving, or gamified tech challenges, we're helping students like Ria turn curiosity into confidence and hobbies into future careers. Because every child has potential. They just need the right direction to find it. So if Ria is keen on drawing, why not turn it into a journey of learning, designing, just like a hobby, which also could result in a career later on, and make other subject areas more personalized only for Ria based on her drawing interest, like explaining science with more diagrams. Mira, but think about it, Ria, just like you spend 3 to 4 hours a week on dance and drawing, what if you use that time to explore something that could actually help you build a career? Ria, raising an eyebrow? Career? But I'm just a class 6 student. Why should I think about careers already? Mira, that's the point, Ria. It's never too early to find what you're passionate about. Just like dance, drawing, or skating, there are subjects and skills that could help you create a future. तुम्हें पता है, हर सब्जेक्ट की अपनी एक एक्साइटिंग वर्ल्ड है. इमेजिन तुम्हारा पैशन अगर ड्राइंग है तो तुम डिजाइनिंग को एक करियर बना सकती हो. पर ग्रेजुएशन तक भी तुम्हें रियल पाथ नहीं सिलेबस मिलता है रिया. थॉटफुल. बट आई डोंट नो इफ आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इन दैट. व्हाट इफ आई एम जस्ट नॉट गुड इनफ? मीरा, लिसन रिया, यू डोंट नीड टू बी गुड इनफ फ्रॉम द स्टार्ट. तुम्हारे पास पोटेंशियल है, बट यू हैव टू फाइंड इट. लेट्स ट्रीट स्टडीइंग जस्ट लाइक एनी हॉबी क्लास. तुम ड्राइंग सीख रही हो, तुम्हें ड्राइंग में अपने स्किल्स इंप्रूव करनी होती हैं, राइट? सिमिलरली पढ़ाई भी एक स्किल है जिसमें तुम ग्रो कर सकती हो, रिया. सो यू आर सेइंग दैट आई शुड फाइंड समथिंग दैट एक्साइट्स मी अबाउट स्टडीइंग, समथिंग दैट फील्स लाइक डांसिंग और ड्राइंग. मीरा laughs. एग्जैक्टली, हु नोज. तुम्हारे पास पोटेंशियल है, बस अपना डायरेक्शन ढूंढना होगा. तुम्हें पता है, हर फील्ड में क्रिएटिविटी और हार्ड वर्क दोनों की जरूरत होती है, और तुम दोनों के पास वो हैं. रिया, smiling brightly. Thanks, Mira. I'm going to treat studying like my favorite hobby class. Mira, that's the spirit. Let's make learning fun together. Let's find our strengths and turn them into our future. Just like drawing or dancing classes, what if learning was treated as a hobby? Fun, hands-on, and curiosity-driven. At Tech for Me, we're helping students like Ria figure out what they enjoy, turning study time into discovery time, and hobbies into future careers. Let's help kids learn their way.